warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, guys.
Good afternoon.
Today we will make the Meganthropus blueberry toast bread. Firstly, I will introduce my team. I am Jaka. My Meganthropus name is Meganthropus Dringu.
Yeah, okay.
My name is Ropa, Meganthropus laranganicus. Hello, my name is Jayanti. You can call me Meganthropus fabianicus.
Hi, and my name is Rizka Ainun. You can call me Meganthropus mrangonicus.
I'm Poundra. You can call me Meganthropus probolingosiensis.
Okay.
Next, I will tell you about how to make the Meganthropus blueberry toast bread.
Yeah.
You need the materials and tools. The materials is a bread,
Show.
a bread, jam,
Blueberry jam,
and
butter.
and the butter.
Yuk, yang lainnya cok Jakarta gantian wes.
Ada, basa.
Ijan, betul. Bukan jadi gini.